battery kill switch on, and I got a manual crank button on the starter. Oh, it'll start. It'll run. I mean, I drove it back. Nope. Like my custom handmade. Made out of scraps from Gary's shop. Yeah. Run that. So plenty of extra.
Paint looks good, don't it? Yeah. Got Rust-Oleum?
I think it's dry. I can't remember. It might be Rust-Oleum.
What was it, a 54? Terra Trac?
It's a 54 ATC Terra Trac.
ATC.
GT32. They made 56 of these particular model, and this one's number 32.
You get into the carburetor already? Where's the fuel line going to go?
Back, underneath the frame up to the tank is back.
Straight down?
No, straight back. I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to go.
Down and in the frame rail or whatever.
Yes.
That paint really helps it, don't it?
It's getting there.
The new bolts?
It's going to get completely repainted to good paint. This is just cheap paint.
No, that's fine.
No, it's getting redone.
It's really good. Radiator's good to go?
Okay. Make record. What else we forgot something?
You send it off? Or?
Yeah, I had to. Tough guys in. They
So you got the radiator in, you got the spark plug wires, battery, gauges look good.
Yeah.
Brand new battery. Yep. Custom gas tank.
Yeah, Kim Grandpa made that. That's all 3/16 plate steel. That tank weighs about 80 pounds. Not sure what its capacity is yet.
Not ready to start yet, but here, crank it one more time. I'll get it in for posterity. Contact. Oh yeah.
Nice strong motor.
All right, everybody, stay tuned.